ඉතින් වෙනද වගේ ආදරේ ඔයගොල්ලන් පිළිගන්නවා අපේ UKG channel එකට. අද විශේෂ දවසක්. ඉරිදා දවසක්. ඉරිදා කියන්නේ ඉතින් හැමෝම ගෙදර ඉන්න දවසනේ. ඉතින් දැන් අද කට්ටිය ලෑස්තිලා ඉන්නවා විශේෂ කෑමක් හදන්න. අපි එන ගිහලා බලමු මොනවද ඒගොල්ලෝ හදන්නේ කියලා. Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's gonna be chef? Big chef. You?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Who's helping you, mommy?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a bit of help
Yeah.
for all the hot bits.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Some flour. And that's that one finished. We use a lot, don't we?
Look what's mommy doing.
We'll put some more flour.
How many pancakes you going to make?
For Jayden, so many. How many are you going to
Dylan, take your hands off.
I'm gonna put the flour in.
How many do you want to make?
Is that enough for you, Dylan?
No.
No.
Dad.
A little bit more.
A bit more.
Can I mix?
So wait a minute. We got to add. What else have we got to add?
Sugar.
Yes, sugar's the next.
And
Make
egg.
it nice and sweet.
And egg.
Oh, not egg for this. We're gonna add milk in a minute. Some milk. Let's put some sugar.
Can I have sugar?
You hold on.
Uh,
Uh-huh.
Now, Dylan, let's put your sugar.
Oh, why we put sugar, guys?
because to make it sweet.
Ah.
It wouldn't taste nice without sugar, would it? It'd be like bread. And then what are we gonna add to make it
Milk,
liquidy? Yeah.
Milk.
And after that, can you mix?
And we've got to do the special bit. What special ingredients are you both gonna pick today?
I know.
අපේ කැලමුත් ඉන්නවා මෙතන. එයා අවන් ටික අරින්න තමයි try කරන්නේ.
Time to
Gonna
mix.
mix it.
Can I mix it?
So, okay, you can help. Yeah, should we do it together? Mix. We got to be careful not to shush it everywhere, do we, with the milk? Got to get rid of all the lumpy bumps. I don't want any lumpy bumps of flour.
And we need butter.
Butter. Callum, are you going to have some pancake as well? Are you having pancakes?
And can I have
Okay. I'll hold the bowl, you. That's bowl. You hold
some? Lots of bubbles.
Callum wants to say what?
There's lots of bubbles.
Bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, now Dylan's turn.
Sugar and milk.
It's
That's perfect. Now, Dylan, how shall I hold the bowl? Don't do it too fast, so it's going to go.
Slowly, Dylan.
You're going to get very wet, alas.
It's like slime. Looks like we're making slime.
Come on, Dylan.
Do you need help? Do you need help mixing?
Oh, look, Jayden wants to help you.
Need help?
ඔන්න අයියා මල්ලි help එකක් දෙනවා. අයියා මල්ලිට help එකක් දෙනවා.
Dylan, you need to hold both sides for me to make. You need to hold-
Oh, I know what you think, Callum. You've seen marshmallows.
Wow, nice.
It looks like slimy, itchy, getting onto food.
It's like slimy.
Down. It's like.
Right, let's just give it final mix, make sure they're okay, and then
I was smelling pancakes.
Smelling pancake already.
the ingredients.
I can smell only sugar.
Okay.
Who wants blueberries?
Me!
Yeah?
Oh, blueberry. Blueberry දාන්න ඕනේලු.
Can I have lots?
Yeah.
Lots.
Blueberries are nice and healthy.
Oh, blueberry
Can I-
healthy.
They're healthy.
You're good, Dylan.
All
You
the
like
fruits are
healthy.
healthy.
Yes.
Chocolates.
Look at all those blueberries. Okay.
කොහොම blueberries දාලා තියෙන්නේ. So,
Grapes.
grapes. Jayden wants grapes.
And I want grapes.
Some grapes.
I want all the fruits we have.
All of them. Okay. Yours is going to be
You
a
have to
bit
cut it, Mommy.
fruity. Yeah, I'm going to take some wash and cut.
This how far now these look like fruit pancakes. Yeah, fruit pancakes.
Yeah, it is fruit pancake actually.
I think we're making fruit-free pancakes.
Okay.
I think we're making 100 for Callum.
So both of you for grapes.
Grapes, huh?
Yes.
Grapes කනවා.
Callum's.
Jayden, what else you want? වෙන මොනවද ඕන?
I think raisins.
Raisins?
Yeah.
The same thing.
Dried, isn't it? Grapes that have been dried. That's your favourite fruit, isn't it? We can tell.
Can you spit some marshmallows out?
He probably put too many in at once.
Ooh.
Okay. You want to put them in? Will you remember some for Dylan?
Because I want them.
Yes, you love your fruits, don't you?
Yeah, I love all.
ගොඩක් කලාට අපේ ගෙදර පුතාලා ගොඩක් කලාට ෆෘට්ස් තමයි කන්නේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ එළවලු වලට වැඩිය ෆෘට්ස් තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් කැමති. එළවලු කන්නක් කැමති නෑ වැඩිය. මේ ඩිලන් තමයි එළවලු කන්නේ. ජේඩන් එළවලු කන්න එච්චර කැමැත්තක් ඇත්තෙම නෑ.
Who would like raisins?
Raisins.
Both of you?
Yeah, both of us. But can I put mine in?
Yes, here you go, Dylan. Just put those in.
Wow.
Wow. I want to eat that, Dylan.
Look at this. This is
You're not eating these.
Who want a banana?
Me.
Okay.
banana.
Give it to mommy. Mommy will cut it for you.
So just for Dylan, yeah? You don't want any?
Dylan, you want a banana?
You don't want a banana? Banana's so good.
Well, you can have a banana pouch. You can't have a...
And
banana.
banana yogurt. Your
Yeah.
favourite yogurt? Banana.
අපේ ජේඩන්ගේ තියෙන අමුතු ඒවා හොඳේ. එයා මේ බනානා දැන් මෙහෙම කන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට බනානා යෝගට් කනවා, බනානා පවුච් තියෙන ඒවා කන බොනවා. ඉතින් ඒවා තමයි එයා කන්නේ. මේ මෙහෙම කන්නේ නැහැ එයා.
But when you're...
එයා අමුතු ඒවා එයාගේ තියෙන්නේ. ඕ banana.
Do you want to eat?
I like banana.
Then do you want to eat this then?
I will eat this.
Oh, okay. Jayden came up with a good idea. What about satsuma, he said. We've never... I don't think we've had satsuma before, have we?
We did once, I think.
So is it satsuma?
ජේඩන් ටොනලු මේ මොනවාද දොඩම් දාන්නත් ඕනේ.
You've got that satsuma, yeah?
Yes. I want to have it.
Okay.
I want it.
Yeah? Yours is going to be so colourful, Dylan.
Yeah.
It's going to be more fruit than pancake. Are we getting your 5-a-day fruits in for breakfast?
ඔව් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පුතාලට අපි දවසකට කොහොමද ෆෘට්ස් 5ක් 6ක් විතර දෙනවා මේ මොකද කන්න කියලා තියෙන ෆෘට්ස් මොකද ভেජිටබල්ස් කන්නේ නැති නිසා
Seeds. This
අනිවාර්යෙන්
one's so
මේ
good.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට ෆෘට්ස් දෙනවා අනිවාර්යෙන්.
Literally everyone's got a pip. Never happens. We never get pips. This are all pips. Yeah, look, we've all got pips. So
Cut it half, cut it half.
yeah, I'm going to, but there's still most of them got pips in.
That's okay. Is mommy doing well, isn't it, guys?
But I'm getting all the pics.
No, I'm taking the pips out. Look, 2 in that one.
Why is there always pips in this one?
Some of them there's not.
Oh, normally, you guys, there isn't any, is there? You eat them. Just...
But when I
කොහොමද මේකේ තියෙන ෆෘට්ස් ටික ෆෘට් සලාඩ් එකක් වගේ. Are you making fruit salad or something?
I know, that's what I was thinking. Fruit salad, isn't it? Not pancake.
It's not pancake. It's not pancake.
ඉතින් මේ විදියට දෙනකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ හරි ඉතින් ආසයි මේ කන්නත්
It's like
ආසයි.
a fruit birthday.
මොකද මේ
It's like a fruit birthday cake.
fruit birthday cake.
Yeah.
Since when did you ever have a fruit birthday cake? Yes, it's full of all the chocolates.
Yes.
The real.
I don't have lots. There's just one.
Is that enough, guys? Now,
No!
what
Dylan
else you
was
want?
like 1 satsuma each. I was like, no, I think just
No,
one.
one enough for
total.
both. Yeah.
I
Really?
want
It's going to be too much fruit.
more.
Yeah.
I want more.
Oh, I just noticed the one pip in the one that's red.
That's okay.
Okay. So, what else? Strawberries?
Who wants strawberries?
Yeah. Only Dylan. Sure, Dylan? Oh, you are so silly not to like these fruits.
ජේඩන් කැමති නෑ මේ ස්ට්‍රෝබරි වලට. එයා අමුතු ලයින් එකක් එයාගේ තියෙන්නේ. එයා කන්නේ නැහැ මේ ගොඩක් ෆෘට්ස් කනවත් අර එයා ගොඩක් ආස මේ සසුම වලටයි මේ ග්‍රේප්ස් වලටයි.
No point.
මේ ළඟදිලා හැබැයි පෙයාස් කන්න පටන් ගත්තා. අඹ කන්නේ, අන්නාසි කන්නේ, ස්ට්‍රෝබරි කන්නෙත් නෑ. හරි අමාරුයි දෙයක් කවන්න එයාට. හරි පිකි.
Put some in Jayden.
Okay. Only one. I'm sure you won't taste it. Anything else, boys?
No, that's enough. That's later. That's later.
Yeah.
That's the last
So
one.
now what have we got to do? We've got to mix it again. You want to mix? Okay. You have a mix and then Dylan. Look how much you've got to mix in, Dylan.
I
Dylan
guess,
එක තමයි මාරු.
I guess all of these are going to sink when I put them.
We'll just spread it out, otherwise you're going to have too many fruits in one.
Wow.
Look, Jayden's you can't see because he didn't put many in.
Yeah.
Dylan's all there.
Okay, Dylan's turn now, Jayden.
Okay, take all this out.
Oh, look, all the fruits in the whisk.
Oh, you don't want to lose your fruits.
No. But
One more grape, come out, there you go. Now
Oh,
Dylan, your
Dylan, your
turn.
turn.
Mix well done.
Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan.
see.
Mummy told you
Oh,
to
look.
stop a
Okay,
little
let's
bit.
switch. Space it.
Ah, look. හොඳ අයියා කෙනෙක් නේද මොනවුණා. අයියා මල්ලිට උදව් කරනවා.
Why did Dylan put so many fruits? Like, I need to do it slow. I can't even do it. It's bigger than the bar.
Careful, it doesn't all shush out.
Can I do the sprinkle?
Not yet, son. Later.
Oh, it's like it's so tricky. It'll take to weather. Like when I'm 100. When I'm 100, that one will finish.
Oh no, boys, do you know what we've got? Eggs. You even said egg earlier, didn't you, Dylan? And I was like, no. Hang on, let Mummy do, darling,
Let mommy.
because now if we get shell in there, how are we going to eat?
Oh.
One egg for
Duck.
Now I need to mix
You got to mix again. Hang on,
more
Dylan.
fruit.
Wait, Jayden. Mommy gonna put another egg for Dylan's one.
Can't leave yours out, Dylan.
No.
One egg
Ooh.
for
I need to
you.
mix. Mama, you put Mama in the middle. It looked like a meteor. Went down into the beach.
Wow, that was very clever.
Yeah, you're clever, son.
And little things went out like a puddle.
You have to whisk it properly, Dylan. Give that to mommy.
It's like slimy. It's like slime.
Oh, it's looking good. It's like looking
Wow.
See, orange.
That's the egg, isn't it? The
That's
yolk.
an egg
Is it
yolk.
Broken egg, yeah.
Why did I get a bit cold?
It's called the yolk. You've got egg white and egg yolk. You know, like when you fry an egg, you can really see the difference, can't you?
Jayden, eggs. And look, little tadpoles are going around it
Oh,
now.
it does look, doesn't it, on the back? You've got to break the yellow yolk as well.
I am, I'm
And
trying.
you're chasing it round.
Yeah. Boy, come back here.
He's running away from you, so he doesn't want to get broken. Come on, yolk, stay still.
Oh my god, I can't even do it. Jayden, just put it on.
No, still another.
Come on, Jayden. Come on, Jayden. Come on, Jayden.
I did it.
Got it now. Oh, look at that.
It looked like yeah. It looked like eggs. It looked like egg mixes.
Well done. Oh, look, you got some more of your grapes.
No, not more.
Okay, are we ready to
Dad.
Okay, boys, I'm going to put the hob on now, ready to make the pancakes. So what have we got to remember?
Don't touch it.
Because it's
Or
very...
you might burn yourself.
Exactly, well done. Good boy. So we're going to put a little bit of oil. Do you know why we put the oil?
Because you don't put oil, our pancakes will stick onto it. They're no pancakes.
Ah, lambe dannoi.
Exactly. Good boy. That was a very good
He's
answer.
clever.
There's always options when we cook this. Yeah, you remember.
Dylan, what did you do?
So you just wait for it to warm up a little bit. Okay then, boys. Who is going to go first?
Me.
Oh, how do I pick? I'm going to go with youngest because you've already got the ladle.
Aww.
See, that's a fair way to pick. Oh,
Oh my god, that's too much. Too much.
you need to dip a bit of that out.
Get all the fruits in it.
Oh yeah, I can see a few bits in there. Yeah, I think there's
It's not ready yet, I
no,
think.
got so none in it because it's not quite hot enough yet. It could still stick.
7, 6.
Who's looking forward to their yummy pancakes?
Me.
Yeah, who's hungry?
Me.
How many pancakes are you going to eat today?
100.
100?
I'm gonna eat more than that. 1 billion.
1 billion
Oh, yeah.
pancake. You're gonna eat 1 billion pancake.
Yeah.
Are you serious, Jayden?
And I'm gonna eat that much. Yeah, I'm gonna make a bigger number than that. I'm gonna have 1,000 million hundred too.
Oh, we're going to be here all day cooking your pancakes.
Boy, it might take you a whole year.
I think for 2 years for both of you.
when Nanny comes, she's gonna see a big belly.
Okay, I think we are ready. So Dylan, should we put this in? Oh, look at that. I can see blueberries, I can see grapes.
Can I do mine?
So we're gonna shush it.
To make it bigger.
Yes, bigger. And what shape do we always make pancakes?
Can I flip my big fat bunny?
I think that's enough now.
Can I flip out?
Just
Jayden, careful.
Mama.
Woo! That's nice.
And look, there's a circle. What's that?
There's maybe a
A
circle.
circle within a circle. Are you looking forward to eating it?
Yeah, I want to eat it now.
Oh,
But
it's going to be too hot. Don't we have to wait for it to cool down?
I want to eat it now.
You burn your mouth.
No, no.
You have to wait until it's cooked.
Can't eat raw
I
pancake already.
want my pancake in the living room. Then eat it.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට කන්න ඕනේ මේ ඔක්කොම ඉවර වෙනකන් ඉන්න බැහැ.
Ready? Let's check. I think so. Oh,
Aw.
yeah. Look at that, Jayden.
It's like tiddly.
So, who wants to add some decoration?
Me, can I do it first? Because Dylan did his thing first.
Okay, so you're going to put some sauce. But don't put too much, remember?
Wow.
Jayden කැමති මොනා what's that sauce? So strawberry sauce.
Rhubarb and custard.
Rhubarb and custard sauce.
You like custard?
Oh.
Everyone likes custard.
Look at that.
Are you trying to like tiddly?
Oh, I think that's enough, Jayden.
I think that's enough, Jayden.
Wow. My turn.
We've got
I made a
some-
skeleton. Look.
Oh, yes,
There's a
that was it.
skeleton fun.
Come on, Dylan.
Use your muscles, you can do it.
Can I put some sprinkles on?
That's probably enough, Dylan. Yeah.
Oh,
well
that's
done.
enough.
Do you want cutie's pancake?
Yeah.
We do have to. Okay, sprinkles next. So chocolate sprinkles.
Yes.
Chocolate sprinkles. Oh.
See, we started off healthy, didn't we, with the fruit, and now it's all gone downhill.
That,
Whoa,
oh,
Jayden.
whoa, Jayden, too much.
Yeah.
We're going to put some sprinkles as well. Slowly, I'm scared.
Slowly, Dylan.
Oh,
Ah!
I knew you were going to do that. I knew.
Yeah, now
That's too much, too much.
Red. Touch
Aw.
it around. Can I have another pancake?
What? No, that's enough. Oh, we can have more.
How about
We go-
marshmallows?
Marshmallows as well.
Okay, only a couple because it's looking very
It's too sweet now, guys.
I want so much.
Okay, Jayden, put some first. And then you.
I thought I used my pancake. No, that's not fair. We're changing the sprinkles and the sauce there.
Not too many.
Marshmallows දාන්න ඕනේ ලුවේකට.
My turn.
Jayden.
I love marshmallows.
Hey.
Yeah, everywhere around mine.
Oh
we're
my
gonna have
God.
a sugar rush now, boys. Yeah.
You'll be the naughty the whole time.
Yes, this much sugar you will. Good luck, Mummy and Daddy, yeah?
අද ඉතින් දවසම ඉවර වෙනවා ස්වීට්ස් කාලා.
Is it good? You eating the sweet?
Okay, let's go to living room then.
Should we go and eat? Can you carry them, boys? Let's get you down.
Pickle.
Whee!
That'll be a small pancake.
That looks super yummy.
I can put it on the table. I have to take my chair out.
Wow.
My chair.
මේක නිකන් පැන රහ ගුලියක් කන්නේ දැන්.
We're gonna eat all the bad stuff then.
Ah, you know you eating bad stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, once in a week. හැමදාම කන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඉතින් එච්චර sweets ඒක නිසා ඉතින් අවුලක් නැහැ.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You made it.
I like my own pancake.
You like your own pancake, yeah?
Yeah.
Jayden, yours is good? Can't decide?
Do you like it? Your own pancake?
Yeah.
එහෙම නැති අපි මේ වීඩියෝ එක මෙතන ඉවර කරනවා. ඔයගලන්ට සුබ දවසක්.
Thank you for watching.
Guys, say bye.
Bye. And I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day.
And do you have anything else to say as well?
Yeah. Nama Badaya. Nama Badaya.